Evo ga, folk, jaz sem spoznal našega Scottish frienda Rory. His name is Rory, and I put this guy a little bit there because he's English and he's Scottish. You know, we all watch movie Braveheart and Highlander and all this, you know. So guys, don't fight, please. Dobro jutro, kje ste folk, zdaj ura je 10, 14. juni in mi smo v Invernessu. Dejansko smo si najdeli sobo v Holiday Inn Express, ker včeraj je bila res pot težka. Potovala sva od Knockhill Circuita do Invernessa, to je, ne vem, 150-200 milj, ampak zaradi pomankanja spanca, katerega sem imel 4 ure, sem jaz komi vozil, res se mi je ful spali, sem bil res zmatran. Prišla sva tam zvečer v Inverness, šla malo v Meka poiskat hotel, bila prvo v Leonardo hotelu, niso imeli prostora, potem šla v Premier hotel, niso imeli prostora in potem sva najdla Holiday Inn Express, plačala sva 155 funtov za nočitev z breakfastom. Dejansko sva se naspala, ampak jaz sem spet zgodil v 106. Danes je pa 13 stopinj, ker vidite, vreme je kislo in pakirava stvari dajem na motorje. Sobo smo imela pa tukaj, motorje sem imela pa tukaj, sva jih zaklenila, zrihtala, alarm dala in vse super. Čeprav jaz mislim, da ni to kriza, ampak on je ful presran. Neki ima probleme s srcem, ker dejansko ima problem z neko aritrimijo, neki tazga, se pravi srce nabija na 150 in je rabo malo, da se umiri. Drugače pa je vse cool, zdaj greva se spakirati in greva v Loch Ness jezero, ki je stran pol ure, greva si malo pogledati. Famozni jezero, kjer naj bi bila ta pošast Loch Ness, itak buča za to, da folk prije, pa tam ima en tak grad, eno ruševino, pa si malo pogleda. Malo se bo zapeljala, pol pa končno začneva NC500, se pravi Nederland nad Nederland. North Coast 500. To pomeni 513 milj obale Škotske, višavja, se pravi gor, vsega boga. In zaradi tega dejansko je vsa ta pot se začela. Zaradi tega zadnjega dela. Porabil sem skoraj 14 dni, da sem prišel sem, vmes sem se ustavil seveda, da dejansko lahko to turo naredim. Zdaj bova spala malo po šotorih, čeprav danes se napovem, da bo cel dan dež. Če bo tak dež, kot je tle, to so bolj take rahle padavine, je cool. Samo da bo orang dež, ker treba razpakirati ta šotor, veš. Ful je veliko dela s tem, no, dejansko, ni toliko easy. Vsi pravi, ti vino toliko uživaš, jaz sam slikam tiste dobre dni, dele. Tisti slabi deli so pa skriti. How are you, my friend?
All good this morning.
Huh?
Yeah, just packing up, getting ready to go again.
We're going where?
Loch Ness.
Loch Ness,
Go
yeah.
down Loch
Yeah.
Ness.
We're gonna go,
Go and have a look, see if we can find Loch Nessie.
yes, hunt the monster.
Yes. Go and see if there's nothing to see.
Yeah, this is just gonna be a normal, not sea, but how you call this shit? Lake.
Yeah,
And that's it, man. Yeah. And I'm gonna
Plenty
shoot.
of midges.
Yeah, midges.
That's
Oh
what we're
yeah,
gonna
we
see.
gotta go by.
Midges.
We gotta go by the repellent for midges. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh, guza boli. Neki mozolj sem na riti fasu. No fuck, a? Ok, kam zdaj žena? Vidiš, spet zajebu na desno stran pač. You see that?
Yeah,
Again.
easy mistake.
Thanks God, he was honking. Pizda, zdaj ste bili priče, kako greš na desno stran. Nikakor, avtomatsko. Sploh ne razmišljaš. Hvala Bogu za unga, kaj je trobu. Ga folk, Richard se pogovarja s svojo ščerko. Jaz sem pa pred Loch Nessom, to je v bistvu pač ta Loch Ness. Tam je pa grad, katerega vsi gledajo, gled to. Vidiš, gled to. To je ta grad. Nič kaj posebnega jezero ko jezero, dobro so ga spromovirali. Opazil sem pa, da mi kamera, če dam na wide, je zamegljena, ker je malo mokra, ker se vozi ta. Tako da boste zdaj v pravem stilu Škotske videli, kako izgleda, se pravi oblaki, dež, mokro in seveda megla. Tako da zdaj dejansko bi mi morali iti, ne vem, okoli gradu, 1 ura je, ali pa nazaj, saj ne vem, niti sam. Evo ga, Loch Ness. Šta je mislio? Is that Loch Ness, huh?
Yeah. You want to miss this.
Oh my God, so
Be
beautiful.
mad.
So beautiful.
Yeah.
It's so nice weather. So nice everything.
Beautiful.
Scottish.
What else would you be doing? Maybe fucking SBO2? Fuck yeah.
Scottish weather, Scottish feeling. That's what I saw in Highlander. Stavljanje vsakih 20 minut, pol ure, neki se je odtegnal, neki se je premaknal, vroče mi je, mrzlo mi je, dej gor dol, obleko, znajce, kolikor ti paše, skozi je neki. Ampak ko se ustaviš, pa dejansko imaš tudi kaj zavijati. Evo polja, da smo šli mimo polja ovnov, stari, ovnov, ovni so bili, sami ovni. Neče se kaj vidim, ampak ja, ovni z unimi rogovi, težkimi. Drugače pa nič, vozimo se okoli Loch Nessa, imamo 1 uro pa pol vožnje okoli, pač ne vem, zakaj smo to naredili, ampak ja. Gremo do unga gradu pogledati, pa kakšne table Loch Ness bi bilo fajn, da se slikamo, da rečemo, bili smo pri Loch Nessu, se pravi temu spromoviranemu jezeru, ki ni nič posebnega, v bistvu je tako dolgo, pa okoli in okoli je cesta. Je pa vreme pravo, ne, mokro, tako da se kar vlečemo, no, jaz se kar bojim, nekje so na sredini, nekje je cesta toliko oska, pa skozi so takole hribčki, pa levo, desno, da ne vidiš, če je kdo nasproti in moraš res jaz počati, če ne ta lahko zbije. So did you see how that Audi came in front of us?
Yeah.
That's why I'm going slow when I don't see.
Yeah.
You know, when I don't see what's behind the corner, I go slow, bro.
Yeah.
And then Audi just came in that corner. If I would be like a little bit, he would like go on me.
Yeah.
That's why I'm a little bit left, you know.
Yeah, you have got to be on these roads, especially when it's finna go around the corner. Yeah, definitely.
Like these roads, you can go on the middle. You know?
Yeah, some
But
of these are quite thin, aren't
did you see those?
Yeah.
It's kind of like nice, woo, woo. But I'm really afraid to lean because it's, you know,
Yeah.
I'm kind of like shaking like a little pussy.
You're lucky.
Yeah.
You're lucky.
Better to shake than to be on the floor. Yeah, better. Can you see from here? Go right. Eno ga jebe. Eno ga. Da ga vidimo, neke ruševine njihove, kraljevi te fore. To je tukaj kar nekako turistična zadeva. Tako da gledaj, ustavili smo se, Urquhart Castle smo naredili, on je spizdu naprej, jaz njemu govorim, ustavil se, on kar gre. Po moje ni prvič, da se bom ustavil na takem mestu, ampak prijatelj, poglej si tale pogled. Glej tole, kaj je lepo. Ampak meni je v oko padel ta most, glej to. Šla sva mim, sem rekel, dej človek, da se ustavimo. Dej poglej to, no. Dej poglej to, no. Pa to je neverjetno, stari. Wow. Wow, glej to. Gremo okoli. Sam ni mi jasen, kako je lahko. Rjava voda, črna voda. Prvič v lifeu vidim. Kaj da bi se Coca-Cola dobesedno premikala spodaj. The White Bridge, one of the best examples of a humpbacked single span. Ali stari moj, how can be black water? It's like Coca-Cola.
Haggis, I reckon they eat.
What does mean haggis?
Haggis, it's food, isn't it? It's like horrible food.
Horrible food.
Yeah.
But it's black water, man.
Yeah.
I'm like in the Lord of the Rings. potrebno.
Toilet water.
It's like Coca-Cola.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Don't fancy a swim then?
Shit, or it's like an oil inside, no? But it's not oil, I don't believe it. Znači gremo mi, stari moj, mi nikako krenuti, ampak tole črna voda, stari, to pa še v life-u nisem videl. Pičim, hajde. Oh my god, Vespa! Dvaj stari moj, kva sam jaz na letu na Vespaku. Oh, welcome, what's up? Vespa gang.
Vespa!
Yeah, see.
What are you from, Dory?
What am I?
Where are you from? Dory.
Oof, I'm far away, guys. I'm from Slovenia.
Oh, is it?
That's like, yeah, that's like God nowhere from here. So you guys are what, Scottish
Aberdeen, just Aberdeen, just up the road.
gang?
Scotch.
Scottish, Scotch.
For William for the weekend.
So you're going for a ride or what?
Yeah, just for a night. And a pint.
Ah, bunch of amateurs. I'm going for a ride. You see, you guys have to do a ride, not just
It's a
something.
long ride.
Huh?
It's a long ride. You'll do
It's
it.
a long ride, yeah. It's like 1 month ride.
Okay. You'll do no problem with this.
Yeah, I hope it. I hope.
Yeah.
I hope no problem. I have a lot of tools inside, but I
do
don't
it,
use
yeah.
them. Yeah, I hope so. You
Did
know,
you service it before you came away?
I did a service in between at his
There you
place.
go.
He's from Somerset. He's from England. Your enemy, I know. Braveheart. Islander. No, he's the English guys, you know, the bastards. I know everything, you know.
I'm not a bother.
Where'd you going?
And we're going NC 500.
Oh, right,
okay.
So we're gonna do all the tour, and then I'm gonna go home. Only 2,000 miles. I just went for a ride for a month.
Just, let's go. Quite
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
Quite right.
So you guys,
That's
we're
good.
going for how far? What's the ride? You're going around the.
150 miles.
Well, we're Aberdeen to Fort William today. Stay overnight, 2 beers,
Hey.
then home tomorrow.
Yeah. Direct.
There you go.
Other ones as well.
Screaming seagulls.
There you go. Let me find the place.
That's what I've got mine. Look.
Here you go.
There you go. Good man.
Yeah. I don't have any sticker yet. I forgot about them, but you can check me out on YouTube or something. That's me. I'm Dino.
Do you know what they?
Yeah, Dinodi. Yeah. I do all the YouTube videos.
Good man.
And those are all my
That's it.
sponsors.
Safe trip.
Yeah, of course. Thank you.
Sweet goose.
Thank you. Nice to see, fella. Because not so many Vespas are here. Yeah, I've seen.
What's a motorbike? Not scooters.
Pussies.
Yeah.
Those motorbikes are like this. They don't say hi.
Oh, my Corbin.
Hey,
Oh, you'll get proper
Thank you.
bikes one day.
they don't say hi, and I'm like, I came from Slovenia with the scooter, man. You're a pussy with a big bike, man. Everybody can do it with a big bike. Huh? Yeah.
We've been across, me and see the guy down there. Me and him were all across Europe with his PX 200.
Oh, I had, maybe you're gonna be angry. I had Indian Vespa, LML 150 back in day. I had my first piece on a Vespa when I was a kid. That's why I bought this Vespa 5 years ago, just to have nostalgic feelings, you know. And this is for life. Then I banged behind the river. We used to bang on Vespa, you know. So a lot of good memories on Vespa. Yeah.
What a GTS and got
Yeah, the middle stand is perfect for that. It holds strong, you know. So yeah, I'll put this too. I'll check you out, guys. You know, I'll maybe write you an email or something, send you because you guys are on video. So you're gonna be on video, you know. I'm gonna show off. I met some Scottish Vespa gang. That's it. I gotta go.
See you later.
Okay.
See you later, people. Thank you. Vai. Nice. Nice. Evo, pa sam ga najdu. Pure Scottish guy. Evo ga, folk, jaz sem spoznal našega Scottish frienda Rory. His name is Rory, and I put this guy a little bit there because he's English and he's Scottish. You know, we all watch movie Braveheart and Highlander and all this. You know, so guys, don't fight, please. It's really nice to see. You know, you found the right spot.
Yep.
Do you make a lot of money here?
Yeah, I do. I'm the only person in the village that does it.
Yeah.
So me and my brothers, we all play the pipes.
Really?
So I have 2 other brothers, and over the summer we share this spot.
So you okay? Why don't you do it like together?
Because then we'd have to split the cash.
I mean, but I believe you're gonna maybe get more cash because it's gonna be more like, you know, like
Yeah. that's
wider
true.
and orchestral, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good point actually.
How come that you are doing pipes? Who taught you that?
Well, my brothers have all just done it. It's something we've just been brought up to do. So I've just taken it on and just followed my brothers.
Bro, man, nice. Rekao je da bo prišel trip to Balkan. He's coming to Croatia, Bosnia. I told him he has to come to Slovenia.
Yeah.
You know, so you go to Croatia, you fly down, you take a car, you go to Lake Bled. If we came from all far away to see Loch Ness, you're gonna come to Slovenia to see Lake Bled. You see Slovenia, how promoting I am. And then you go to Croatia, because Croatia is not so nice as Slovenia is.
Yeah.
It's nice, but in Croatia you gotta go to Plitvička jezera, Plitvice lakes. That's like wonder of a nation.
Okay.
So just check out Plitvička jezera. This is something like that. You're not gonna know, but it doesn't matter. And in Bosnia you gotta eat cevapi.
Yeah, we're going to Mostar.
Mostar, yeah.
Mostar,
Yeah.
Kravika waterfall.
I don't know how you say it. I don't know.
Kravica.
You gotta go to Sarajevo, Mostar,
Sarajevo, yeah.
Sarajevo, the capital, Mostar, and then you go to Dubrovnik.
Yep, to Dubrovnik.
You watch
and
the
then,
Game of Thrones.
I don't know, but I know it's.
He didn't watch the
I
Game
know
of
it's
Thrones.
part of it.
You gotta watch the Game of Thrones because that part of this show was shot in Dubrovnik.
Okay.
So all these castles. We got castles too, by the way, not just you guys.
We're going to Kotor as well in Montenegro.
I know. Kotor, something like that.
Yeah.
That's like down.
Yeah.
I was never there, but doesn't matter. So thank you for hearing us, because for us, I just heard that in movies, you know.
Yeah. well,
Braveheart and that, you know. Shut up, you Englishman. You know, we are Scottish people, you know. We go Scotland. I'm joking, man. I love you, man. I love you. Thank you, and
Thanks very much.
do it, man. Contact me.
I will do. Nice to
Really?
meet you.
Ajde, bye, Rudy. That's it, evo. We got it. Bro, I love you, don't worry. I love English, man, too. Don't worry, man. Just don't fight, you know. Evo ga, modelu sam dao da od skuterja komad. Človeku sam dao komad od skuterja, how much is the fish? I on pravo, nimam pojma. In pol zaigra. Braves of the Scotland, something like that. Braves of the Scotland, something like that. Tako da ja, to je to, zdaj ga bomo pa res pustili, pa gremo. We're gonna go now where? You're doing again a fag?
Yeah, I know.
He's doing always the fag. Veste kaj je fag? It's not fag. Fag.
Cigarette.
Show them.
Cigarette.
How do you wear it? Look. Yeah, he's hiding it. Pogovarjali smo se o Škotu, če ima gate spodje, ne? Ker original Škotik ne bi smel imeti. Pa sem rekel, vidiš, da ima gate, ker je pač mulc. Ja, men prav, did I mention? What did you mention?
Well, buying boxes for a trip. Yeah.
You bought boxers for the trip.
I bought boxes for a trip.
You don't have boxers
No.
for what?
No,
You don't use?
no. Commando. That's the way I do it. Feel free.
Človek ne
Be
uporablja
free.
gače. Then you shit yourself all over the house.
I don't shit myself. That's the trick.
Ok, folk, obvezna oprema. Smidge. Smidge. This is for smidges. Za te njihove živalice, katere te pikajo zvečer in zjutraj, sploh če si v kampu, kakor sva midva to zadnjič spoznala, tako da so nam predlagali in tudi vam jaz predlagam, kupite si smidge, da bo life lepši. Evo ga, Loch Ness. We almost did a round trip. Nice trip, ok, zdaj lahko sam povem, da dejansko vse splačajo tako fuli različne. Tam so, there is a forest, we went through the forest, then we go on the mountains, nice mountains high, you know, those clouds, and then we go down, we got highway here, and now we are here. In pol gremo zdaj do Loch Nessa statue. We go to Loch Ness statue now, ok?
Yeah, go see Nessie.
Ajde, Nessie. I got you. Sorry. Sorry. We just met some new friends, people. These two guys are from Singapore. Matzo and Ifan. So they just checked our bikes and we just started to talk. And now we made a friendship.
Yeah.
So we are here at the Loch Ness making a friendship. So Loch Ness unites people. Yeah. Say hello to Singapore if somebody from Singapore watching this. Hi, hi. Kje ste folk, kaj zdaj? Evo ga, midva sva šla proti NC 500. Naredila sva kar dober del, no. Dejansko danes sva cel Loch Ness odpeljala, to ste videli, pa sva pa šla proti Vik, dvojni VICK. To je 118 milj. Pa nisva dejansko planirala, da bomo prišla blizu, sva 30 milj pred Vikom. Zakaj sva pa danes prej prišla? V bistvu si najdela plot za kampirati, zato ker ponovadi sva prišla dosti pozen, sva bila ful zmatrana, pa dež je začel padati. Danes je pa itak ful napovedan, da bo padal. Tako da sem rekla, dej se bo ustavila malo prej, da ne bova iskala, da ne v zadnji trenutek vsa sfukana, pa glej, čist brez motivacije bila, pa živčna, pa tečna, so se ustavila zraven ceste, dole cesta, gor malo v hrib. In ko sem šla v hrib, sem prišla v to šumo. Veš, kakšen velik jelen je bil pred mano. Z unimi velikimi rogovi. Tako prav pogledal, jaz sem zvez pošel in je sam spizdu. Jaz njemu, did you see the deer? Yes. Veš, kakšen jelen je bil, unka ima pizd 2 metra velike rogove. In pa sem prišla sem, sem videla eno tako pot in sem mislila, da prihaja do ene hiše. Sem rekla, dej gremo pogledati vsak slučaj. In najdeva konec ceste, glej. In stari moj najdeva tak plot, veš, tukaj se folk obrača, ko prije do konca, ima kakšen fuk plec ali pa kaj tazga. In se reče, ajde, bova tle postavilo štore. Jaz sem hotel biti tam zad, ampak je sam tok zemlje in pol je spet pesaka, ne. Evo ga, veš. In ga nisem mogel zabiti. Ne možeš ga zabiti, stari moj. To gre in to je to, evo, konc. Tako da on je postavil šotor tukaj, jaz sem se pa preselil sem zadi. To je moj šotorček. You drinking tea? Coffee?
Coffee.
Again coffee?
Oh, yes,
Coffee, man. Jaz sem si pa tukaj dal tale moj šotorček mali. Dal sem si takole, se pravi, da imam glavo gor. To niso moje izločki, to je v bistvu tiste za midžese. Se pravi, en tak sprej, ker tukaj so te mušice, stari moj napadalne, to ugrizejo. Ej, čez trenerko. No, da ti pokažem, kako zdaj je moj šator. My kingdom. Evo ga, stari moj. Se pravi, pena za spat. Mislim, ta iz AliExpressa dom je sosed. Pa za nič stopinj, se pravi, tale, kva je že to spalna vreča. Za enega je tale šotorček. Pa glej, stari moj, mi imamo svoj prostor, malo blata tukaj po noči, ne smemo hoditi, da se ne ugušimo in to je to. Zdaj bomo malo pogreli, evo ga, moj moj grelnik, my heater, since 98. I used this with my first girlfriend when we used to go to Camp Lucia in Portoros. That's like a seacoast town next to, in Slovenia. So this is all like 30 years. This one I got from my friend Andrej, like 5 years ago. Tako da jaz sem svojega pokril, stvari sem dol, tam imam za svojega pasta sos, kva bom jedel. Pojedel sem en sandvič, ampak glej si bom prav prvoščil. In to je to. Poglej si hribe gor, stari. Poglej kako grejo oblaki. Prav uno Highlander scena. Prav Highlander scena. Točno tako, kot sem si zamislil Škotsko. Šuma sama, a tukaj dol je cesta. Se pravi, piče se po se gre pa tam okol in vse. Tako da nič, you gonna cook now?
Yes.
Okay, hajde. Start cooking so I can a little bit document that. You know,
Oh, yeah.
so we can see how you do this. What do you have for eating?
No problem. I have
Hajde vidimo, kva ima za jest.
nice easy one today.
Heinz beans.
Heinz beans.
Why are you so crazy, guys, about these beans with this sauce?
I have no idea. It's just easy to do, I suppose.
Okay.
I'm not actually that keen on it, but I have to do.
Is that it? Everything what you have? Anything
no,
else?
I've got other
Sausage?
stuff as well. I've got crisps and all sorts of
I mean,
chocolate. And
don't you
other
have like sausage next to these beans?
stuff. No, they got sausages in them.
Yeah, it's inside. Aha, okay.
Ah,
Oh, easy. Yeah, okay. Hajde, make
yeah,
it.
nice
make,
easy one.
make it, make it. Okay, hajde. Record me and this, you know, go close. Evo ga, ljudi moji. Now we're gonna make a soupa. We boiled this, you see. Then we turn it off. Dino da kuka. Then we take some kinda whatever you have, because this is kinda hot. And you slowly put it up. And it burns, and then let me see, you got the line. A little bit more. Like this. Oof, you put it back. See? Come on. Look how we cook. How we cook here. We cook and then we just. And we are having a pasta. I mean, very, very unhealthy food. But fuck it, we are in the wilderness. So we are eating. And now we wait. And then we get a meal. Thank you. Ok, pasta je narejena. Ta pasta stane na bencinski črpalki, veš koliko je bila? 99, se pravi pijev. En funt, to je €1,20, stari. €1,30 na bencinski črpalki. Pri nas so koliko? Ajde mi valjali to neki. To če pogledaš, to je sam pasta in sir. Ma tako povedal, ni znač, no. Verjamem, da to ni zdravo. Ampak takole je tukaj, kad si vse nekaj topoga poješ. Takoj čutam, kako treba gre. A spet bolj bi pa Suborek Olimpija. Malo reklame. Ampak je resno. Ubijal bi se sad. Jeba ga ti man, I told you to wait.
My apologies.
Oh, these are sausages and beans.
Yes.
Nice. Now we're gonna let Richard to cook. Richard the cooker, what did you cook? Huh? What did you cook?
Beans and sausages. Can you keep me going for a bit?
Yeah, I can smell the ketchup there or something like that, huh?
Yeah.
I-
Beans for you.
Take a sausage to see how you swallow. Can you do it?
There you
The
go.
whole one. Oh, brale. It would be good for the porn, you know, same-sex porn.
I'll have to go in that way.
Bon appetit, my friend, bon appetit. Daj, da ti malo pokažem tole naravo, kako tole izgleda. Zdaj le hodim tukaj malo, da raziščem vse skup. Gor je gora, čist v oblaku. Sprav tole raste, je podobno, pa ni podobno. Sprav regrati so, ne regrati te, kva se že oni. Tako so klopi. Trava pa to čudno gosto goščavje, kvarko že je to. Ta drevesa, črno, bela, res so gosta. Ampak ja, narava je prava. Tega je veš koliko. Jutri nas pa čaka urang pot. Seveda, tale moj sprehod je imel en namen in to je čučavac. Če ne veste, kaj je čučavac, vam ne zamerim, ker čučavci so se uporabljali včasih v zgodovini, dokler niso izumili modernega WC-ja. Se pravi, čučavac pomeni, ko ti čučneš. In ker sem jaz pač v čučavcima bolj slab, je to kar orang procedura. Ampak ni problem v čučavcu, da ne moreš se ti usesti. Problem je, ko ti se slečeš, ko ti opravaš zadevo, da ti midžesi, stari moji, guzico napadajo. Sprav midžesi, to so te, tukaj, ta njihov mrčes, tak poseben mrčes, annoying as fuck, kar letijo vmes in pikajo čez robo, stari. Pride in te kar pič v trebuh, te kar pič v nogo. Čez 3 sloje oblačila te pič, to ne mora verjeti, kako, ampak ja. In ko ti upravljaš čučavac, stari, one ti ga šuknejo odozad in ti ga lepo, fik, in pazi foro, itak, do drug kot ženske. Moški ne pikajo, samo ženske. Richard the Firemaker. Tukaj, goddamn, what's that spirit or what's that called? Neka čudna.
Fire pit, I suppose.
Yeah, but how can you get close to this fire pit, man? Why did you put it in the middle of this mood? In mood?
Too close to the tent to smoke you out.
Bro, yeah. Okay. Richard the Firemaker, I make a big fire. But this fire usually goes where?
You up in the air, usually not over your tent. But, hey,
Yeah,
you'll be mid-tree. I'm saving your life.
yeah, look, direct on my tent.
Lifesaver.
Direct.
Lifesaver.
Now it's time to go to sleep. Mi bomo šli spat. Let me show you my room. My sleeping room. First you open your door. Then you have to put down your, you know, your whatever this shit is. People at pop, super, and then you just squeeze like this. And then you put this by side. You take your yastuk, AK pillow, and you go like this inside, you know, you tuck in, and you just fucking shit like this, you know. And if you wanna have like a window, you put it like this. But if you don't wanna have window, put it like this for now, and then you close the other doors. That's how you sleep. Good night. Ok, folk, tole je še zadnje sporočilo danes. Glede teh midžesov. Piču me je tukaj na faco, naredi bulo, piču me je sem. Tole je to, prav boli. Se prav pika čez. To je huj kako komar. Ba ima take mehne, kratke nosove, ki grejo čez. Pa tista zadeva je samo za namazati na kožo, ne pa za čez pulover. Tako da, misliš si, da se oblečeš, pa zaščitno, pa nisi. Drugače, to je to, gremo spat, pa se vidimo jutri zjutraj, kjer nadaljujemo pot na NC 500. Evo, kako zgleda, ko pada dež, pa malo pihlja. Nočem si niti predstavljati, kako je, ko orang piha. Tele klini so v res mehki zemlji in pizda, ne vem, če bi držal. Pa hitro jeba.